Welcome to DevOps tutorial from zero to hero. We can see here Git. We are going to start Git initialization. In this, because we know very well it is Git control version control that control over all changes in the code or file. Whatever will change with respect to time, it maintain all the changes. So we'll get about it more and more, and then we'll download Git, and we'll get some more information about that. We'll install Git and we'll do the configuration of Git. So next we'll go ahead some more about the Git, like Git workflow. Git workflow is untracked file and tracked file, staged file, commit file. If untracked file, Git cannot track it. If it is tracked, means once we initialize Git, then it will track the untracked file. And stage, it is the virtual that we stage, it is the virtual stage that we set it. And commit, once we commit it, then it is known as commit. That will get more and more about this in the next slide. So next slide is a Git workflow. Understanding the Git workflow, Git uses a distributed workflow that allows you to work on your code, stage changes, and commit them to your local repository before sharing with other. Understanding this workflow is essential for effective version control. The three areas of Git. First is working directory, where you make change to your file, where you work properly. That is working directory. Staging area. Next is staging area index, where you prepare changes before committing. Last is repository, where you committed history in stored, and then after we'll get the overall picture. We can see here Git workflow working directly. Once we add it, then it will be changed in the staging area. Once we commit it, then it will become the local repository. We'll go to the local repository. Once we push it, it will be go to the remote repository. So there are two kind of repository. First is local repository, where we work, and next is the remote repository, where we push the code. So we'll get about it more and more in this video. First we need to install and configure the Git. Okay, so far we are going through, and we'll go ahead for the next. So next, so guys, for now we need to download Git and install it. So I have already downloaded, but first you need to go to the Git. We'll search Git, then you get this https git-skm.com. click on Git, then you get here like Windows. If your Windows is there, then you can Google window, or others is there, you can go ahead follow and click on the Windows, and then go to the click here for to download. Okay, so click here latest version, and once you click, then download will start. I have already downloaded, so I need not to download it. I'm cancelling it because I have already downloaded. So we need to go there, and we need to right click and run it properly. Then it will run, and then we need to just only do next only. First we need to go ahead like this, then next only we need to go ahead. Next already exist. Would you like to install to that folder, or anyway just don't want to install in that folder. It's same one is there, but cancelling one. Yeah, next, next, and next, again next, again next, 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 unless it is not down installed. Do the next. Finally it is installed here. So let's wait for the installation first. Once it will install, then we'll get the notification also there. For this time we need to wait. So it is almost completed. Yeah, waiting for completion. Yeah, it's going fast. It's going fast. Almost completed, done. Yeah, Git is installed properly. So for now we need to install here. We can finish and this node will open as it is. And yeah, go to the Git here. We mention the Git. You can see multiple Git base and Git GUI, Git CMD, and more we can see. Okay, so we need to click here, like if you want to set the Git user Git GUI, to set here for task to pin bar. Okay, it was already there, so for now I have already added it, or else Git base is already open here. So click on the Git base. Git base is already open now, so we can click on the Git base and we need to configure it. Git config global user dot name space double inverted comma, in that we need to enter the name. CSP 7042 is my username. And coming to the user email, git config double dash global user dot email, that is CSP 7042 7042. Okay, so @gmail.com @gmail.com. done. So for now we need to check whether it is the same data is fed or not. So we are going to check it, like git config list. So we can see here user email is here, we can see, and it's also shown me. So it's done. So far now it's done. Thanks all for this. Thank you. Have a great day.